to show you how to make a Mother's Day card. It's going to look like this. I wrote Happy Mother's Day on the front, and then I have a handprint butterfly inside. And I know my mom's going to be super excited about my handprint butterfly, and I'm going to show you how to make one of your very own, and then you can give it to her on Mother's Day. While you're making your Mother's Day card, make sure you pause the video so that way you're ready for the next step. So after I tell you what to do or show you what to do, just go ahead and pause until you do it. So here's what you're going to need. 2 pieces of paper. Doesn't matter what color, white, pink, blue, any color you want. I just like to use the regular white paper for some of it, and I'm going to use the pink color for the other part. You're going to need a scissors, some crayons, doesn't matter how many, you don't need a whole box, just a few is fine. And then either glue or tape. Either one's fine. So glue or tape. So go ahead and pause the video and run and get those things, and then we'll get started. Okay, hopefully you have what you need, and you're going to need to start with 1 crayon. So just pick a crayon. I think I'm gonna use purple, a nice dark purple. Do I have a purple? Yes, I do. All right, so I'm gonna use a nice dark purple, and I'm gonna use my white piece of paper. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hand on it, and I'm gonna trace it. Now you're gonna want your hand to be off to the side of the paper, so that way when we fold it in half, it'll fit. So I think I'm gonna put mine like this. I put my hand on the paper like this, and then I'm gonna trace it. So let's see. If you notice, I put my thumb in the middle of the paper. So you want your thumb towards the middle. And then I put my fingers kind of close together, but I'm still going to draw in between them, so I want them a little bit apart. All right, so I'm going to go down and over here and over here and underneath there. Okay, just connect this bottom part. Okay, so then the space in between the fingers, you're going to want to draw a line. There we go. And then in your hand, you want to write your name and your age, because your mom will want to remember when how old you were when you made this for her. So I'm going to write Miss Bowman. You write your name, Miss Bowman. M-A-N-N, and then age, A-G-E, and then your age. All right, so now we have this part done. We need to fold our paper in half. Okay, so now we need to cut it out, and I'm not worried about my thumb being over there, that's fine. If you have a big part of your hand that's off of the paper, you do want to redo it and just make sure that your hand fits on the paper. But if it's just a little part like mine is, then that's fine. I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it out. Cut, cut, cut. There we go. So I have the thumb all by itself. But then, when I go up here, I'm going to cut along that line I drew. So instead of cutting each finger out, just cut it on the outside. Okay. All right. Nope, dropped it. All right, and then if I open it up, this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to cut off that part so they're not connected. Alright. So now yours probably looks something like mine. Your thumb might be out further sideways, which is fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that they're crossed over each other. Make sure that your name and age are sticking out so you can see them. I'm going to cross them over each other a little bit, but I want to have 2 little bits up here because these are going to be my antennas for my butterfly. So then I need my glue or my tape, and I need to glue or tape that middle part so it doesn't come undone. So let's see, looks like I need some glue here. There we go. Now that I have it glued, or you could tape it, I need to color it so it looks like a butterfly. So the butterfly bodies are usually black, so I'm going to color that middle part black. If you want to make yours a different color, that's fine. So while you're coloring, you're going to want to kind of make the body part a little round because butterflies have round bodies. All right, and then these are my wings. So I like how I had fingers on this side. You could trace your other hand and put fingers on the other side if you want. That would be an easy way to do it. It's a little harder because I'm right-handed, but that's okay. Let's see, I know that my pinky will be the edge of that, so that's fine. All right, so now I have my two hands, and I'm going to color them. So I'm going to make each finger a different color, and then I'm going to make the outside purple. So I'm going to go ahead and do the purple part first because I have purple. You can make yours any colors you want. You can make it all one color if you want. But I'm going to make mine purple. And I'm going to make them both match because butterflies always have matching wings. Then I need different colors. So I definitely want to use pink and yellow because I know my mom likes pink and yellow. So let's see. I'm going to make this finger pink. I'm going to make that finger pink on this side too. And then I'm going to make the finger next to it orange. Orange. And I think on the wings, I'm going to do polka dots of the same colors, but I'm going to leave most of it white. So blue polka dot, which means I need a blue polka dot here, and a yellow polka dot. Alright, so now I have my butterfly. So now I'm going to put it on my other paper, and my other paper is going to be my card. So I'll take my butterfly, and I'm going to fold it in half. So I'm going to take my butterfly, I'm going to fold him in half, which is a little hard since he's glued, but that's okay. There we go. Now see, it looks like a mitten. I folded it in half. I just folded it in half down that middle of his body, and that's going to make him pop up. So go ahead and hold on to that for now, and we're going to go to our card. Alright, so you want to fold this one in half like a taco. Right, there we go. And then on the front, I'm going to write Happy Mother's Day. So that is H-A-P-P-Y. Happy Mother's M-O-T-H-E-R-S. And there's a little apostrophe right here because this day belongs to the mothers. Happy Mother's Day. D-A-Y. Alright, and maybe I'm going to put a little flower right here because I like flowers. Oh, my flower only has 4 petals, that's okay. Kind of looks like a 4-leaf clover. But it needs green because it needs to have a stem. Alright, there we go. And then you're going to open it up. Okay. So then, I hope you still have the scraps from your first paper. You want to take those scraps and just find a part that's kind of straight and just cut like a long strip off. Like about as long as your thumb, maybe a little longer. Okay, and you're going to need 2 of those. So I had left mine folded in half, so I would have 2. Okay. So then the strip, you want to fold so it makes a square. And you just want to zigzag it back and forth. And you want them both to match, so we need to make this one a square. Okay. I have 2 zigzags. I'm a butterfly. I'm going to reopen my butterfly and put it in the middle of my paper. And then I'm going to glue my 2 zigzags, so I'm going to flip my butterfly over. I'm going to glue my zigzags onto the wings, right about in the middle of the wings. Or you could tape them. I think I'm going to tape these, so that way I don't have to wait for it to dry. Okay, make sure that your zigzag still stands up, that you only tape the bottom part of it. Okay. And then you want to tape the zigzags down onto the paper, so that way your butterfly's in your paper. So I'm going to put some tape on here, and I'm going to tape it down so my butterfly's in the middle of my page. There's one. Move that scissors. And get more tape. Alright, here's more tape for this one. Alright. Okay. Butterfly goes inside. There we go. Alright. So now when you open it, it says Happy Mother's Day, and when you open it, it has your butterfly inside. You could draw around the outside of this. You could write I love you if you want. I think I'm going to write I love you. I love you, Mom. With an exclamation mark and a heart. Heart. Alright. So then, that's all you have to do.